Hello! Today we are going to create a custom post type in WordPress using the WPP Generator. First of all, you should generate your WordPress plugin starter kit. If you did it, good for you. I've done it already in the previous tutorial and installed the plugin on my local website. As you can see, while the plugin activated, we have an unusual menu item on the admin panel, Books. This menu item leads you to the page with a custom post type. But let's check the code first to understand how it works under the hood. We need to open the WP content folder, plugins, and the name of our plugin. Then open the includes folder, admin, and classes. And finally open the cpt.php file. Here is a bunch of code responsive for registration a new custom post type. In our case it is books. Here are several labels to identify our new custom post type from other elements in the admin panel. Let's make some changes and see what happens. We also can change the slug. Slug must be unique. That's why the WPP generator added these strange symbols. We saved our file and going to check our admin panel. Refresh the page. As you can see, the book's custom post type was changed. If you enter the page, you will see that all the basic elements were changed according to our records in the cpt.php file. Here we also can tell WordPress what elements we would like to see on the single custom post type page. For example, title, editor, author, etc. If we get rid of the editor in the code, it will be removed from our admin panel. Let's bring it back and try to create a record. Now we can publish it and check the record on the front end. You'll get the 404 page first. It's because I've just changed the slug from books to robots and did not refresh the permalink rules in WordPress. Let's fix the issue. Go to Settings, Permalinks, and simply update the page. After that, WordPress remembers our new type and will display the record. Works well. That's it for today. Please subscribe and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.